Like hobbies. You're not allowed to have any new hobbies between the ages of 30 and 70. That's it, you've got to be a proper grown-up. My nan, when she hit 70, tea towels. Straight away, she'd been planning it for years. Can't wait. Now, the thing is, my nan was from a different generation. She would bake a pie, put it out on the windowsill. Yeah, she was animated. Now, that would attract in the birds. Of course it would, they're only human. And I ain't gonna criticise some birds nicking a bit of short crust. Security's low, get in, help yourself. But birds are nature's cats. And boy, can they get curious. Their little beady eyes look at the place beyond the pies. That's the human world, isn't there? There's an open window. I want to go to the place beyond the pies. And so they scurry in on their audible little trotters. And suddenly they're in the human world. Now, in the Western Hemisphere, the most terrifying thing you can experience is a bird loose in your lounge. Because no adult has ever received training on how to deal with it. So suddenly there's someone just trying to grab for it. Someone's opened a window. Go out there! Go out there! The bird doesn't know what's going on. Eventually someone goes, you know what? We live with a bird now. That's it, we live with a bird. When we sell the house, comes with a bird. That's it. Until my nan would run in with a tea towel, fling it over the bird, and the bird would be like, all right, fair enough. You got me. Good tip, if you ever get into a row with a bird, just chuck a tea towel over it. Doesn't work on humans. Makes it worse.